Hello students, we have started with body fluids and circulation, and today's topic is lymph. We have started with circulatory system and we are discussing the liquid or fluid connective tissue. There are two fluid connective tissues in the body. Fluid means liquid connective tissues in the body, and these are blood and lymph. We have done the composition of blood. Now today we will discuss the composition and function of lymph. As blood passes through the body tissue, what is tissue? Tissue is made up of similar cells, a group of similar cells which have similar structure and similar function, that is called a tissue. Now there are very less spaces between these tissues which are called interstitial spaces. Now when blood passes through the capillaries in the tissues, some of the fluid and the water soluble substances, they come out and they fill this space in between the cells. The fluid which comes out, that is called interstitial fluid, or it is called tissue fluid. Now अब जो सेल से बाहर आ गया या टिश्यू से बाहर आ गया जो लिक्विड विद मैनी वाटर सॉल्यूबल सब्सटेंसेस, खाली लिक्विड ही नहीं आया, पानी नहीं आया, उसके साथ कई सारे वाटर सॉल्यूबल सब्सटेंसेस भी थे, लेकिन कुछ लार्जर पार्टिकल्स, प्रोटीन्स, आरबीसीज जो बाहर नहीं आ पाए, तो वो अब ये सारा जो फ्लूइड टिश्यू है ये कहाँ जाता है? इट एंटर्स इनटू द लिम्फ capillaries. Lymph capillaries, they join to form lymph veins or lymph vessels, and these lymph vessels together they form the lymphatic system. And the fluid, when it enters into the lymph capillaries, lymph vessels, that the interstitial and the tissue fluid, that is known as lymph. What is the composition of lymph? It has same mineral distribution as of plasma. इसमें सभी component same है, और लेकिन क्या absent है? Some of the proteins and RBCs of blood, they are absent. What is its function? Exchange of nutrients and gases. Another function is that lymph is also important carrier of nutrients, हॉर्मोन्स एंड फैट्स. हमने डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में पहले चैप्टर में पढ़ा था दैट वाटर सॉल्यूबल सब्सटेंसेस, दे आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड, दे आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द ब्लड, एंड द फैट सॉल्यूबल सब्सटेंसेस and the fat soluble vitamins, they are absorbed by the lymph in lymph carrying vessel, that is lacteal. Now the next topic is circulatory pathway. There are two types of circulatory pathways. One is the open circulatory system and second is the closed circulatory system. Open circulatory system is found in insects, that is the phylum Arthropoda and the mollusk, and this closed circulatory system is found in mammals including man. ठीक है. In open circulatory system, blood flows in the blood vessels, but it comes in direct contact with the body fluid. But in closed circulatory system, blood always flows in the blood vessels and it never comes in direct contact with body tissue. जैसे कि open circulatory system में क्या है? For example, अगर हम कॉकरोच का एग्जाम्पल लें तो कॉकरोच की बॉडी कैसी है? दिस इज़ द हेड, देन देयर इज़ थॉरेक्स, एंड देन देयर इज़ एब्डोमेन. इन द थॉरेक्स देयर आर 3 segments, in the abdomen there are 7 segments. तो क्या है? हार्ट इज़ 13 chambered. हार्ट इज 13 चैम्बर्ड. कैसे? हर सेगमेंट में दिस इज द वन चैम्बर, दिस इज अनदर चैम्बर, दिस इज द थर्ड चैम्बर जो कि सेंटर में जा रहा है. ऐसे 13 चैम्बर्स हैं. तो ये क्या है? दिस इज द बॉडी कैविटी. अब फ्लूइड जो है वो यहाँ से भी एंटर करेगा ब्लड, और ये यहाँ से अगले चैम्बर में भी जा रहा है, और ये यहाँ से जो है बॉडी टिश्यू के कांटेक्ट में भी आ रहा है. तो व्हेन द ब्लड फ्लोज इन डायरेक्ट outside the blood vessel also and it comes in direct contact with the body tissue, it is called open circulatory system. And when blood flows only inside the blood vessels and never comes in direct contact with the body tissue, then it is called closed circulatory system, as in mammals.